Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1 I'll be responsible and sensitive by Sayyeda Zadi. We and old people. We either live with old people or are related to them. They love us. Due to old age, they cannot run about and play like us. They need our help for many chorus. We must lower the volume of TV or music, as the same is very disturbing for them. The only pastime of grandparents is talking to their children and grandchildren. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. Taking care of the patients. To enable a patient to get well soon, we should take care according to the advice of the doctor. The patient must be taken to hospital or primary health center for treatment after giving first aid for injuries. Do not depend on talismans, amulets, and incantations. Consult a doctor on time. Responsibilities towards people with special needs. Handicapped people suffer inconveniences and discomforts in public places. They are in need of special service or assistance in public places. Special provisions made for the people with special needs. A blind person can easily walk about in public places with the help of a white cane. The floor numbers on the lifts in some buildings are written in braille. A blind person can vote secretly with the braille signs on the voting machine. Ramp is built in schools, universities, and some public places to make it possible for the persons in wheelchairs to enter the building. Special toilets for persons in wheelchairs are provided in some places. Since these facilities are not available in all places, we must treat the persons with special needs with care. Braille script. What is Braille script? A blind person can read and write using the Braille script. Braille characters are made of raised dots. A blind person can read by feeling the raised dots. Sign language. People who cannot hear use sign language. They are taught how to lip read to follow what other people are saying. Special sign news programs are telecast for these peoples. Being sensitive. Being sensitive is understanding the difficulties of the people in our family and locality and help them when they need help. We must treat old people, patients, and those with special needs with care and respect. Our capacity to help others increases if we are sensitive. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you.